Oh, yeah,
well, these are Jeremy's. You can't use Jeremy's stuff.
That's true, I can't. Oh, we have a 40-foot container in the back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Christmas stuff.
I think I found a good single.
All right. What we got? Oh, yeah. Are they in there, though?
That's what we'll see.
If those are in there, that's a good stack.
And the DS. We have the DS, too.
Okay. Oh, we have the DS. It's right over there, isn't it?
I don't know where we moved it.
All right.
Are they in there?
Pop it open, Jake. All right, guys, welcome to another episode of Grimes Find. Today is What the Hell Unboxing. Actually, the next 4 or 5 days is going to be What the Hell Unboxing.
What the hells?
What the hells? What am I saying?
What the hell?
What the hell? Hey, it's early, man. I need a day off. I'm trying to get everything done today so me and Jeannie can actually take a full day off. Everybody, the whole team, we're going to shut this beast down and take a whole day off.
What?
Yeah, I know, right? So anyway, check it out. That's all What the Hell stuff.
All the way
The
down
Great
there?
Wall of Hales. So real quick, what we're gonna do is we're gonna spend the first 2 hours because it's cooler out here, and 2, Monday we were planning on processing this stuff for the What the Hell's auction that opens next week after Packy Magoo's. Real quick, if you haven't registered for Packy Magoo's sale, it is open. The stuff from New York is open. Bidding is open. We'll be doing some editing over the next few days, so just be patient with us. But the stuff's there. General descriptions are there. We're adding more detail, but you can go now and bid. Everything starts $5, no reserves. Phenomenal stuff. So anyway, what we're doing here is we are going to start processing these boxes. You just saw it. We're going to see how much we can get done in an hour and a half. What time is it?
8:15.
8:15. We're going till 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, and we're going to see how much of this, show them one more time, that we can get done. Right now, comment down below or comment in the live text right now. How much of this do you think we're going to get through? Quarter, a half, 3/4, or a whole? How much of it right now? Hashtag down one of those numbers. How much of this stuff do you think we're going to get through? So anyway, what we're going to do is basically we're separating the trash. It's going to be trash, box lots, or it's going to be individual items. There is a lot of collectibles, a lot of stuff. So we're going to try to do as good of a job as we can today. That way, Monday, we're ahead of the game, and we just come in and grab boxes of sellables and start processing them, clean them up, describe them, picture them, all that stuff. So anyway, so what we did is we got brand new boxes here. The whole crew's here. Tanner's the only one smiling. David's here. Jacob's here. Katie's here. All right. So here's the dang deal. So we put up these things. Look, I'm just going to show you the boxes we put up so far. Oh, look, a bunch of airsoft. Ooh. Look, more video game stuff. We knew we were going to find more video game stuff. Look at all these little airsoft. What is that? Okay. Hey, it works. Oh, something just came out of it too. So anyway, we got that. Look, what do we got here? Oh, my faves. My fave. Oh, look, we got balls. Chinese balls. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Woo, they're both in there.
Blue balls. Chinese blue balls.
They have smiley faces on them.
That's weird. All right, anyway. Oh, check it out. Oh, let's just go. All right, so here's the dang deal. Try to keep stuff related, somewhat collectibles in the sellable tubs. Baseball cards, gaming, try to put in one so we can do, we don't have to do the work twice on Monday. So anyway, hey, y'all start digging in. If you find something super cool, and it's got to be super cool, just hold it up and I'll say yes or no. So basically what you can do is pull out all the things, all the good stuff, and then leave the other stuff. And what we're going to do is we're going to box lot it. We're going to try to squeeze as much stuff out as possible. All right, so we got Chinese blue balls. Boom, with smiley faces. Look at this. $1 Million Beanie Babies.
Sandra, where you at?
Yeah, where's she at, Sandra? Look at this. Oh, Piglet.
That one is $1 Million Beanie Baby.
Shut up. Don't be lying to people. And you can have people coming up here bringing me their Beanie Babies expecting me to get $1 million.
That one's
Anyway,
on
we're just kind of taking this stuff out. Look, I did see a lot of role-playing stuff whenever we were Dungeons and Dragons. What year is this? 1988. So you know old Dungeons and Dragons stuff is good. Hey, the Junksman, me and him have been talking. He's been busy. You know we've been super busy. But he's going to come out like you saw in the video. If you haven't checked it out, go to the Junksman. You'll see the video I did over there at his place. But he's got tons and tons and tons of role-playing stuff. So he's going to actually come look at this stuff for us and kind of let us know about it. We're going to do a video with him. Ooh, is this really what it is? Okay. Oh, look. Is that an alternator? Jeremy sent me an alternator. How cool is that? Hey man, it looks new. That's a new alternator. So that's a good thing. What is that? Makeup?
It's
Jewelry?
Yeah, I don't know if it's silver.
It's probably one of those magnet kinds, maybe. Anyway, throw that in sellables. Oh, check this out.
What?
I mean, it's new, but hey, look. Glass head. Man, there's gonna be a lot of good stuff.
Manny.
Manny, that's Manny's boyfriend. I don't know what that is, but it looks sellable. Okay,
See, who says
Tanner, get in here. Hey, let Tanner in here and have some fun. What? That's sellable. Throw it in sellables. Actually, what you're probably best doing
organized.
is picking out all the trash and stuff. Get all the trash out, all the stuff that's going to be group lots. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do, but I'm going to take this out. The stereo. So that's actually a cool cover. But look, it's newer. That's still cool, right? Mm-hmm. Sellable item. So anyway, look, we got wallets, we got all kinds of stuff. I do consider this stuff sellables, but not necessarily so collectible. Look, we got all these patches. So you wouldn't think it, but you know, this group of patches could be $20. Mm-hmm. So that's a $20 bill, hopefully, that just adds up. So we'll put these in a lot. I do consider all this stuff sellable in here. Let's play ball. Why does this?
Is that a puzzle?
No, it looks familiar to me. Yeah. So this looks like another puzzle. So anyway, look, I'm gonna get these patches out. I consider this stuff sellable, so I'm gonna throw it down here. And that way I can just throw little loosey-goosies, but I know I can lock these together by themselves. So I'm gonna throw those over there. Oop, mystery box. So look, I'm gonna take Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan. So what I'll do with these is I'll probably pick out the good ones. Let's get this video game stuff out. Our video game bucket. Oh, that's a real holster. So this probably has some value. Look, we got BB. Oh no, that's cartridges for the air, right? Mm-hmm. Look, another holster. Okay. And so look, here's another. Looks like maybe a no. Oh, that's a suppressor type deal, a fake one. So anyway, we're gonna keep all this stuff in one lot too. We'll pick out the good stuff and then we'll do a kind of like a parts pot. Let me see that. Toys. All right, I just stole David's box. All right, pulleys. Oh look, there's Rolex. Joking.
Tinker Toys.
Oh look, it's a Yahtzee cup. Those are fun. Weebles. All right, so this stuff. What we'll do is probably take this stuff out. It's missing the wheels. Matchbox, made in England. It did look like an older one, but look, it's missing all the tires. So anyway, I'm gonna throw this down in a box. We'll do box lots of this kind of stuff right here. If it's not anything really good, little stuff like that, you know, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Okay, cigar box. So usually I'll put these over here to use these for like cell phones, things like that. What do we got here?
These people really like Elmo.
Who did?
Jeremy.
Oh yeah, this is Jeremy's personal Elmo collection.
I know.
Well, just all these are too. Oh. So just throw all your sellables and stuff down in these on the bottom, and then I'll swap them out. And I mean, you can do that.
Down here we're separating the games and baseball stuff.
That's fine. Then do a miscellaneous one. All right, Dave, will you throw some more boxes here? Will you guys keep this filled up? Can't get through there. Let's go down this way. Let's see what Tanner's got. Tanner's got looks like home decor. Stuff like this is sellable, so we're gonna pull that out. That's kind of neat. You know, we'll set that over here. Oh, look, another saddle.
Does this have elephants on it?
Four-wear saddle? Huh?
It does.
It does have elephants on it. So look, we got another saddle. It's a little. Remember we had that other one for the 4 so that's a good one. We'll go ahead and get this out. This is a Royal typewriter. Look at that, you can see in the side of it. So anyway, this is a great individual lot right here.
Jesus.
All right, more tubs. Oh, look, that's weird. Magnet. Oh, whoa. Alright. There's that early in the morning. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Here, I'll come
Excuse me,
down.
Tan. Oh, just
Like,
kidding.
we're dancing. So look, oh, Care Bears. Look, ornaments. Oh, strawberry shortcake. I mean, this is the newer version, but these were some of my favorite cartoons growing up. My Little Pony. That's kind of cool. Okay. Those are cool. Put a few of those in a lot. Christmas Magic. What's this? Walt Disney, Mad Hatter. And these are all going to be good boxes, I feel. I do not. We will need one though. If you want to grab one. Oh look. Oh look. Wait, are his feet missing?
Mel, you gotta get this.
Wait, where's his feet?
Aw.
No, it looks like they're supposed to come out. Doesn't it? Maybe they're in here. Oh, his feet are missing. Oh, Jeremy, you sent me a footless Mad Hatter. Alright, throw that up there. What about these? Oh, Winnie the Pooh, maybe. Is he in here? What's he missing? His thumbs? Just kidding. Bears don't have thumbs. Do they? Do bears have thumbs? That's a good question. People want to know. Oh, look! I found Nemo! Finding Nemo. Get it? I found Nemo.
Yep.
Did you get
You better
it?
tell
What
Marlon.
movie is that? Is that Who Killed JFK?
It's Curtis Tanner hoarding.
Hey, look. So this is kind of cool. I found Nemo. All right. So look, these look. Oh, Little Mermaid.
Gotta open it.
I know.
Gotta open it.
All right. So let's keep going. Here, scoot down so he's got room to work.
These holy Bibles.
Oh, look, Ariel's in there.
Look how cute she is.
Okay, so we're gonna put these in here. These are great. Christmas is coming around the corner.
Hey, our Christmas contest is happening.
Oh, yeah,
Oh well,
Christmas contest.
these are Jeremy's. You can't use Jeremy's stuff.
That's true. I can't. Oh, we have a 40-foot container in the back.
Yeah.
Christmas stuff.
I think we found a good single.
All right. What we got? Oh yeah, are they in there though?
That's what we'll see.
If those are in there, that's a good stack.
And the DS. We have the
There's the
DS
charger.
too.
Okay. Oh, we have the DS. It's right over there, isn't it?
I don't know where we moved it.
All right.
Are they in there?
Pop it open, Jake. Oh! Oh no, you just got to test pilot or test. Do the pack. Do that one. Ooh, Mario Kart. Come on, you can't shake those. You crazy? All right, spot check. Spot check. Oh, do two in a row. Do two in a row. See if I was just doing a bad deal. Okay.
No.
All right. All right. So hey, we're still gonna sell these cases. These cases are still sellable. Okay, I'm gonna sell these. I'm gonna try to make Jeremy a few bucks off of these. Cause look, people have these games.
But they don't have the.
They don't have the boxes, and the boxes up the value. So why wouldn't you buy these? All right.
Yo, what is this?
Yo, what is that? Let me see, Tanner. What you got? It's flashes, you dork. For cameras. Yeah, there you go. Just like that. Ooh. Oh, be very careful with that look. Booyah! Cookie jar. Look at that. What's that on the bottom?
Pan American art. She's okay.
She didn't break.
She's okay.
Alright. What else we got here? Hey, no, look,
this
007. You get it. Hey, yeah. Alright, so look, this is probably going to be a good sellable lot, so we're not going to unpack all of this because it's broken, but I can tell I'm definitely going to do some good lots with this, unless there's something hiding down here I really, really want to see. Oh, Avon, let's see. What do we got down here? Hot Shots. Oh, look, there's a 007 coffee table book, it looks like. Ooh, there's something under there. What's under there?
I don't know. Star Trek.
What is it?
It's the movie.
Hey, it's still sealed though.
That looks like an older movie.
Hold on. Oh, it's cassette tapes. That's cassette. That's Star Trek on tape. Was there more under there?
No, there was other stuff under there though.
Okay, well, I don't want to take all this out because I know a lot of this pottery we might sell by itself, like these things. I don't know. We might try. Oh, what is this? Made in Italy. We can probably sell those. Okay, so this tub will go over here to the sellables for right now. We'll take her off. This is a cool collectible right here. What year's that from?
I say 82.
1989, right there. It's
Dang.
still sealed, y'all. It's still sealed. All right. This is going to be mostly sellable, so we're just going to go ahead and put this bad boy over here. All right, keep the tubs coming. All right, so
We're at 15 minutes, by the way.
15 minutes. All right, tell me when we get to 20. We're going to stop and we're going to start again. Okay?
All right.
All right. Tanner got the exciting box. Ooh.
Is it clean?
Oh, they smell clean. Joking. All right, hey, Jeremy, I'm not selling these clothes unless they're good. If they're good, I'm gonna sell them.
You give her, is this a blanket?
I guess it is.
No, I got the cool box.
Yeah, so this box right here, since it's all this, we'll just throw this over into sellables. This is that one we did in the first episode of the unboxing.
Yeah,
This is
he
Snoopy.
works.
So here, I'll take this. Yeah, we tested him on the thing. So we'll throw it over here. Sellables.
You smell like a pumpkin.
This is like the inside of a pumpkin. Seriously.
Okay, this.
Oh, it does.
goes here. Okay, here's the Sega game bag that was also on one of the other episodes. We're gonna clean this up. Looks like the zipper's working all the way around, so that's good. That'll be a good lot. What do you have in here? Why is he skipping over it?
I think he's preparing.
Is it signed? Oh, no. What else we got in here? Books. That's sellable. Oh, what we got in here?
Is that a camera?
I don't know. Let's see if it's in there. Oh, it's not in there.
No problem.
Okay, that'll go straight into sellables. That's a good individual lot. You can do that.
No.
All right, guys, we got a phone call. We are on airplane mode now. Change our slot. Oh, look, it's like an electric brain. Like the thing you see, you touch, and it makes your hair grow up if you had hair. That's kind of cool. What'd you say, David?
These are just two little tea sets. One
Yeah,
of
let's
those
keep
is
these.
for-
So I'll just put these straight over here to sellables. Don't forget, let me know when we're around 20, and we'll stop, and then that's where this episode will end.
We got
Check it
about
out.
3 minutes left.
Boxes of balls. Oh,
Oh.
look.
Oh, okay.
This looks like his golf stuff. Tags. Oh, man. What?
DS accessories.
Yes. Thank you. No games in there? No.
Uh-uh.
We're gonna try to get it together. Let's see. Okay, so we got matches. We got some little pins. Let's see what we got in this one. Ready? Maybe the gold's in this one. 1, 2, 3. Are you really confused right now, Tanner? Look at Tanner. He didn't know what a VCR is. He's having a real hard time with it.
That was.
Alright.
This is more tickle me elbow.
Hey, what do? You finished with this box? Backgammon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
New unboxing.
I've seen that one.
It's packaged. So,
Lunchbox.
single lot.
Polypal. Thermos.
History.
Just put those in a sellables bucket. Hey, you gotta finish one tub at a time, homie.
You said I'll sellables.
Yeah, so what are you gonna do with it? Oh, look down here. What's in here? Oh, what is this? Hey, do you know what's in this?
Do you think I know what's in it?
It was your box, bro.
Yeah,
It's those little crystal things. How much you want to bet?
The paperweights?
Paperweight crystal
Yeah.
things.
Yeah.
Oh! Well,
It was,
it
supposed
was
to
right
be.
there.
Yeah.
And this is what you set it on. So anyway, oh, here it is. Found it. It's an
Ta-da!
angel. All right, we got the whole set. Okay, so that goes together. All right, so we'll throw here. Let's get this. This stuff's trash. That is.
Do you have, like,
Are
a
you
little
still messing
Disney-
around with that?
I can't get it put.
Oh boy. What is this? This item is not a toy. Keep going, dude. Let's see. What is that? Little Pencil Crystal. Pencil Crystal. What the heck is a? I was reading Princess and trying to say Crystal. Going too fast.
Crystal
That's kinda
horse.
neat. Yeah, a little paperweight or something. So that's a good little thing. Oh look, Eminem Elvis. Oh, he's numbered. So looks like he's got all his digits.
Happy Halloween, y'all.
Polaroid swinger pictures. What? Oh, swinger pictures. That's not a good name. Polaroid didn't think that through. Polaroid swinger pictures. I guess that's for a particular kind of people. And that's even extra creepy. Like if you like, hey, check out my swinger pictures. You're like, whoa, bro. I don't.
No, thank you.
Nobody wants to see your swinger pictures. Anyway, hey, we're gonna actually lock those together too. What is this? Oh, look, it's Garfield. Oh, that's a glass Garfield penny bank,
That's cool.
coin bank. Oh, look, man, this is like a real deal. Like you ain't getting your stuff out of there unless you shake it out of that hole. Because look,
Oh,
one
yeah.
solid piece. That's a really cool lot.
Hey, we're at 20 minutes.
Stuff like that you can just throw in that tub. I like that. Okay, hey, and so here's the dang deal. You just saw a lot of cool stuff. Look, Dragon Ball Z. Oh, Freddy Krueger.
Yeah, I was holding him up in the camera for like 30 seconds.
What, just now?
Yeah.
That's how much I pay attention. PS2, all right. Hey, heck
There's a
yeah.
register.
You mean a calculator?
Is that really a calculator?
That's kind of cool. Man, we're blowing your mind, ain't we? We're blowing your freaking 18-year-old mind. Anyway, so look, here's the dang deal. This episode's done. Why? Because it's 20 minutes with the intro and everything. It's going to be 25, and Jeremy said, cut your videos to 20 or 25. So guess what I'm doing? Cutting it. I'll see you at the next unit. Might as well. We set in traffic 2 hours. Looks like it'd be okay. Looks like it's traffic stuff. Man, that's oh, all this product came out. What was it? It's beef. It's steak. It's what's for dinner. Oh crap! I'm doing a horrible job. Oh my gosh! Look.
Whoa. Oh, it stinks.
Oh, what else did we lose?
Oh, here's the other
Oh
guy.
man. Yep, there he is.
He lost all of his dirt.
Oh, he did. He lost his dirt. Dirt and beef, y'all. Dirt and beef. That's what cost us 2.5 hours behind. So there it is. Cool fire truck. All right, that'll be bonus footage. Look, all his wheels came off. Maybe I just made that up. All right, there it is.